guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we are going to talk about a quick and powerful method to disable access to settings and to the control panel on your Windows 11 or 10. So this is especially useful if you are trying to prevent unauthorized user from making changes to your computer, like in a family or in a work environment. So let's dive into it and secure your system. So by disabling your Windows settings and the control panel, you can prevent unauthorized changes and locking down your settings for kids or for any system security concern. Okay, so let's get started one by one. For this you don't need to do any extra hard work. You don't need to download any extra third-party app software. So just follow this inbuilt settings. Hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard. It will open the run box, and here you need to type jpedit.msc and then click on OK, like this. Now in the group policy editor, in the left panel, here you can get the option user configuration. Extend this and extend administrative templates, like this. Select control panel from here, and in the right panel here you can get the option prohibit access to control panel and PC settings. Just double click and open it. Now by default the option was selected to not configure or disable. You need to select enable from here, click on apply and then click on OK. That's it. Now close the jpedit.msc settings and restart your PC one time. After restarting, now your settings and control panel was disabled by using group policy. Okay, so you can easily lock down your system. If the video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below if you have any specific question, and of course subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.